What is up, TechRight fam? Today I'm going to be taking a look at the NC50 noise cancelling headphones from Liner. Stay tuned. Starting off, we are taking a look at the model, which are the NC50s, as well as some Liner branding right there, and we do have Bluetooth capabilities as well as compatibility with Apple and Android products. Taking a look at the back of the box, we have active noise cancellation, monitor, Bluetooth Sport wireless headset, control music or manage calls, IPX4 sweatproof, and we do have 12 hours of battery life, which is crazy. We also have the choice of black, blue, and white as well. So let's now go ahead and unbox this. So as you guys see, we do have the headphones right here, which actually look pretty dope if you guys are into running or fitness or any of that stuff. We do have a rubber attachment to each side of the headphone, which is actually pretty sturdy, to be honest. So here are the headphones right here, and they do have magnets at the end of them so you can clip them together, which is pretty awesome. Inside the box, we do have some literature such as a user guide and some instruction cards to help you out and set up your new headphones. We also have some gel ear tips that you can go ahead and fit to your liking and comfortability. We also have a micro USB to USB data cable that you could hook up to any wall charger and use it to charge your headphones. We also have this nice little pouch with the Liner design on it that you can put your headphones in. Coming from a fashion standpoint, I really do think these headphones are nice and sleek. The black and red accents look very nice, and they will go with whatever you wear. Now on the left side of our headphones, we have some Liner branding with a very nice font that in my opinion looks very unique. On the right side of these headphones, we also have the micro USB port and the on and off button, as well as our active noise cancelling button that actually works very well. We also have the volume up, down, and pause button to pause your music, which is a very nice place to hold it. So wearing these headphones, I give them an 8 out of 10 comfortability. They are very comfortable, and they also sit around your neck, so if you would like to jog or run or do any activity that is fitness, then you can go ahead and do that. It's going to sit there very nicely on your neck. Also, the sound is very nice. It is a little low, but once you turn on that active noise cancelling, it sounds really good. All in all, these headphones are very nice, and they are a good choice if you don't want to spend over $70, because I know a ton of other headphones do cost $100+ for fitness. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick these up, I will put them in the link down below. It is going to be an affiliate link, so if you guys want to go ahead and support the channel, please buy these headphones through the link. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my review on the NC50 noise cancelling headphones from Liner. This has been TechRight. Peace out.